how to enable the charging completion tone on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery lab. Okay, you can tap this. In battery lab, here you can see the battery settings. Okay, you can tap the battery settings. Here in battery settings and charging settings section, you can see here the charging completion tone. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. So if you want to enable the charging completion tone, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. So if this enable, you can play the prompt sound when charging is complete. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. So if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. But I decide to enable the charging completion tone on my Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.